honorable dignitaries, learned speakers, and enthusiastic audiences. For betterment of human health, yoga and Ayurveda are considered as two faces of a coin. So basic concept of these two great systems are derived from the nature. Primary focus of these two is to keep ourselves healthy by maintaining optimal functions of body and mind. Holistic approach of yoga and Ayurveda, it works at various levels of body and mind. Interlinking of body and mind in a balanced way keeps us healthy and happy. Actually, only a healthy person enjoy happiness, and happiness takes active role in maintaining health of a person. Ayurveda considers that our life is based on three sub-pillars: diet, sleep, and regulated lifestyle. Sattvic diet and good sleep keep our system intact, while a regulated lifestyle ensures it to happen. In this aspect, yoga helps a lot for making our life more disciplined and stress-free. Eightfold of yoga, Ashtanga yoga, that works on different level of our body and mind to fine-tune their functions in a best way. It also helps us to follow circadian rhythm, that is very important. Positive thoughts always makes our immune system strong. In the present crisis of COVID-19, a combined approach of yoga and Ayurveda is the best answer, in my opinion. To protect our body from infection, our immune system must be optimally functional. During our practice and research, we have observed that in quarantine and the COVID care centers, those patients who were receiving Ayurveda drugs and practicing yoga, they were discharged earlier without any complication in comparison to the patients who were receiving the conventional treatment. Our such 4 types of clinical studies, they are in advanced stage and likely to be concluded shortly. Very simple tips from Ayurveda and yoga. They are showing very tremendous positive impact in prevention from corona infection. Ayurveda daily regime, along with yam, niyam, asan of yoga, are playing a big role in maintaining health and immunity of Indian population in a great way. Yoga supported very well even during the lockdown period to keep us physically fit and mentally strong. I am of opinion that adopting Ayurveda lifestyle and incorporating yoga practices in our life, that is the solution to keep us safe from any untoward condition, even if it may be a COVID-19 infection. Here I would like to quote that all the faculty members and students of my university, they are still healthy, happy, and safe from any such incident, even after working with quarantine centers and COVID care centers by enjoying the elixir of Ayurveda and yoga. So in the last, I would like to thanks to organizer, especially APPG, Mr. Bhamraji. Very rightly he said that the parliamentarian group visited to All India Institute of Ayurveda. At that time, we were in phase of discussing so many things to work together. So I'm happy to just share right now that just few days before our university, Ayurveda University and APPG has signed an MOU to do a lot of things to find out solutions. Even we may proceed for several research work and teaching and training of Ayurveda and yoga to find a solution of various so many problems, just like the COVID-19. So with these words, I just want to thank you again. Thanks to all. Namaskar.